The need for speed and reliability. We love cars. Fast cars, slow cars, loud cars, even quiet ones. But we love them even more when they work. Nobody enjoys being stranded on the hard shoulder, watching the world go by. Reliability is a big deal when buying a car. It's about trust. You trust your car to start on a cold morning, to get you home on a long journey. You depend on it. But choosing a car based on reliability can be tricky. It's a bit like trying to pick a winner in a demolition derby. You know there will be casualties. So what about the latest battle in the automotive arena? Electric cars versus those powered by the internal combustion engine. Which one is more likely to leave you stranded with a flat battery or a steaming engine? Let's find out. Electric cars. They're quiet, they're quick, and they're becoming more popular. But are they reliable? One of the main arguments for EV reliability is their simplicity. Fewer moving parts, less to go wrong, right? Think of it like this. Would you rather fix a toaster or a grandfather clock? Studies are starting to back this up. The latest ADAX study showed EVs had fewer breakdowns than traditional petrol and diesel cars. But hold your horses. EVs are still relatively new, and some early models had teething problems. Remember the days of dodgy electric windows and sat-navs that got lost in car parks? Yeah, EVs had their own versions of those. The internal combustion engine. It's been around longer than your grandparents, and let's face it, it's probably caused a few more headaches too. With its intricate system of pistons, valves, and belts, an ICE car is a haven for potential problems. It's a bit like a temperamental rock band. All the parts need to work in perfect harmony to create magic, but when one thing goes wrong, the whole show can come crashing down. However, years of development have made modern ICE cars pretty reliable. Regular servicing and maintenance can keep them running smoothly for years. Think of it like looking after your lawnmower. Change the oil, replace the spark plugs, and it'll keep chugging along. So which is it? Electric or ICE? The truth is, both types of cars can be reliable. EVs have the advantage of simplicity, while ICE cars benefit from years of refinement. The key is to do your research. Look at individual models, check reliability surveys, and read owner reviews. And remember, even the most reliable car needs a bit of TLC. Regular maintenance can prevent those unexpected trips to the mechanic. Whether you choose the silent serenity of an EV or the roar of an ICE, make sure you choose a car that you can depend on. Because at the end of the day, the best car is the one that gets you where you need to go, without any drama.